Hello guys. Welcome to Learn with Venki. Today, we're talking about pressure versus stress. Sounds confusing? Don't worry, I'll make it super simple in just 2 minutes. Pressure is the external force acting per unit area on a surface. Stress is the internal force per unit area resisting deformation inside a material. Imagine you're holding a balloon. When you press it with your finger, that's pressure, an external force applied to its surface. But inside the balloon, the rubber resists your push. That resistance is stress. Pressure always acts perpendicular to the surface. But stress can act in different directions depending on how the force is applied. And the pressure is scalar and stress is tensor. So, pressure have only magnitude but stress have both magnitude and direction. In static conditions, pressure and stress may seem the same. But in dynamic cases, when forces act in different directions, like left and right, the external pressure may change, but internal stress adjusts accordingly. So next time you press something, remember, it's pressure outside, stress inside. Got it? Let me know in the comments. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand engineering concepts. See you in the next video.